Follow the step on how to make hatched text effect editable like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started by create a new document. I use this artboard size. Make a rectangle 100 by 100 px. Rotate this. Make a line. Copy the vertical line. Delete this. Go to Object, Blend Options. Set like this. Select the line and press Ctrl-Alt-B. Go to Blend Options. Check Preview and set the space. Go to Object and Expand. Select and press Shift-M for Shape Builder. Hold Alt and trim this. Delete this. Rotate. Go to Object, Pattern and Make. Set like this. Click Done. Now, click Type Tool and set the font style. Go to Window and activate Appearance panel. Select the text and change it to white. Click Add New Fill. Click and move under Characters. Click here if you want to select color. Click FX. Path, Offset Path. Check Preview and set like this. Click this and click Duplicate icon. Select the pattern. Click FX. Distort and Transform and click Transform. Check Preview and set Move Number. If the pattern looks unclear, you can edit the pattern again here. Select and set in Properties. Click Done. And this is the result. Double-click to edit text. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.